Hi, my name is Mac Pierre-Louis, and today I'm discussing Interstate Child Support Basics. First, please remember that all information on the yourchildsupportlawyer.com website and on these videos are for educational purposes only and do not constitute legal advice. It is a fact that parents who do not live together sometimes live in different states. The Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, also known as the UIFSA, is a law that governs how support orders will be established and enforced across state lines. Because family law is a creature of the state and not the federal government, the feds stepped in to help the states set up uniform laws on how they will handle child support for payments who live in different states' jurisdictions. Under the UIFSA, gone are the days where one parent can flee a state in order to try avoiding paying child support. Under the UIFSA, State A, where in example mom lives, can ask State B, where dad lives, to establish an order over dad to have him pay support. The UIFSA deals strictly with support, that is support, medical support, and child support arrearages. The law does not deal with custody or let a judge make a determination as to who the child should live with. However, in some cases, Texas's incorporation of the UIFSA law does allow a parent to get DNA tests to establish their parentage before they are ordered to pay support. The UIFSA's sister law, called the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act, or UCCJEA, does address custody and parents' rights to possess their children across state lines. If you're a Texas resident, then under the UIFSA, you'll either fall into two camps. Either you're the parent who lives with the child here in Texas and you are seeking support from the other parent living in a foreign state, or you are the parent living in Texas and the custodial parent living elsewhere is trying to get a support order over you from the Texas authorities. Imagine, for example, a custodial parent mother is living in Texas with the child, and the father is living in Florida, a state where I'm also licensed, by the way. Under the UIFSA, the mom could go to the Attorney General's office in Texas and ask them to send her transmittal packet over to the state of Florida, requesting that their 4D child support office nearest the father establish an order against him over there in Florida. Or this Texas mom could call up a Florida licensed attorney and have them go after the father privately in the state of Florida. Now, imagine the reverse, that dad lives here in Texas and mom lives, say, in Louisiana with the child. Then mom could either go to the Louisiana 4D child support office and tell them to send her transmittal packet over to the Texas Attorney General's office and request that their Texas child support office nearest dad go ahead and establish a child support order against dad here in Texas. Either way it works, the UIFSA provides a way for the custodial parent to establish a support-only order over the non-custodial parent who lives in another state. Now, by the way, a non-custodial parent can also try to use the UIFSA to put himself on child support in his state, but it won't benefit him much since the UIFSA will not grant him automatic possession and access over his child, just cause him or order him to pay child support. He'll have to go under the UCCJEA law to try to get custody or possession and access. That's it for now. Please return back, and in the meantime, please go to yourchildsupportlawyer.com or prfamilylaw.com for more information on the services we offer. Thank you.